The Visual Paradigm Smart Sequence Diagram Animator is a feature that allows users to animate sequence diagrams, making it easier to visualize and understand the flow of interactions between system components. Here is a sequence diagram reverse engineer from the getChoosenCombo box files operation in Java Swing File System View class. To animate different flows in the diagram, open the drawer on the right-hand side of the diagram and select Smart Sequence Diagram Animator. The animator will analyze the possible scenarios in the sequence diagram. Once the analysis is done, select the scenario in step 1 and press Confirm to proceed. The animator will then render the lifelines. We can then press the play button to play the animation. Let's try another scenario. Select and confirm. Then play the animation. This tool is especially helpful for analyzing complex system interactions, debugging design logic, and communicating workflows visually. Hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.